What's good, everybody? Boy Eddie here, and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't yet, remember smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so whenever I do release new vids like this, you'll be the first to be notified. So today, y'all, I'm kind of gonna be showing you how to do, well, not showing you, I'm gonna show you me making a stir fry, homemade. So yeah, I'm gonna be making stir fry today. Just for like something simple, you know, and it's really easy to make. Literally, they have vegetables already put together for stir fries, so I'm just gonna do that right now. Yeah, just gonna show you that simple meal today with some jasmine rice, some chicken wings. I couldn't find egg rolls, well, any good ones, so I'm improvising. Bought some chicken wings. They're still good ones, so I'm gonna be doing that. All right. What's up, you guys? Okay, so I'm back with the finished product. All right, so got everything together. Got my stir fry. So basically it's skirt steak with a melody, like a teriyaki vegetable melody. It has carrots, snow peas, kale, Brussels sprouts, spring, I believe, bean sprouts, carrots, or I said carrots, broccoli, sorry. So I got that, my homemade stir fry, really simple. It just took, I want to say 15-20 minutes. I got my buffalo, these are basically barbecue TGIF wing bites. And I got a salad over here because #how. So just a simple meal, you know, just a simple meal with some good vegetables, some you know, some protein. I hope you guys are doing good. I'm gonna try the stir fry first because it looks amazing, and I'm using jasmine rice. Bomb. I know this is a weird combo, stir fry and then chicken wings. I know it's kind of weird out there, but it's just what I felt like having today. So what are you guys doing right now? Hope everybody's being proactive and just trying to keep busy. I know right now I'm trying to keep like a schedule of things to do during the day, but do I follow them? Of course not. And I'm going to take a nap, but I get things done around here. But it's kind of like at my own pace. Ooh, y'all, can you see the steam? I've been looking for a good movie to watch on Netflix because that's what I've been watching a lot lately. Let me know if you guys have any good suggestions because I don't know any good movies out there. Damn. Like these, and I have right here one of these Body Armor fruit punch drinks. These are really good. They have a lot of flavors. Like they have a tropical punch one. They have a blueberry one. Really good. And it's made out of coconut water, 10% coconut water. So these are bomb. And they're cheap too. They're like $1 something. Yeah, just trying to find good shows to watch when I do want to watch TV. Lately, I just been keeping busy around here. Ooh, good old snow pea right here. I was starving, y'all. This is my first meal of the day, so it's what? I believe it's gonna be 3 right now. I haven't eaten breakfast. So hungry as air. So I heard, I don't know if it's true or not, but I heard possibly that we're going to be open by, I believe by Easter. So what do you think of us going back to business as usual by Easter? Do you think that it's a smart idea? Do you think all of this is going to be blown over by now? Personally, and a lot of the people in the medical field are saying no. No, we're not ready. And I would agree with them. I would actually listen to them. I don't think we're ready to personally be going back to work, and trust me, we all want it to go back to normal. We want business to get back to doing their thing because it's hurting a lot of business right now. But at what cost do we really want to open up our businesses and basically going back to our normal routines? I don't know. That's what the president said. I'm also looking for some board games. At this point, I don't give a damn what kind of board games they are, whether it's Guess Who, Connect the Four, it's just, I'm bored as F. Let me know what's a good board game if you guys are playing board games at home. 'Cause I'm bored. Or I'm getting bored already. Have you guys eaten Brussels sprouts before? I haven't. This is one, like half one right here. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna try it. I don't know. Can't really taste anything. I guess I'll just put the whole thing. Eat the whole thing. can't really taste anything. Yeah, I can't taste anything. It's not bad. Yeah, so just trying to find ways to entertain myself around here. I don't want to watch too much TV. Yesterday I went for a walk. That felt really good. I think I want to take another one today. Later on, I'm gonna need a nap after this. I'm really gonna need a nap after this. Oh. These are good, y'all. These are really good. Oh, with the ranch. Yeah, guys, so not much to report here. Just I'm still trying to keep track of business, you know, bills wise, and just trying to get things going, because the bills ain't gonna pay by themselves. So gotta make your moves, gotta get your hustle on in a good way. I mean, like in a saw your ass on the corner kind of way. You know what I mean? Don't do that. Don't want to do that. You don't want to get too desperate out there. But, you know, it's like, personally, I believe, like, when you're in that survival mode, like when your back's in the corner and you're in a real tough situation, you're like, you do anything to get out of that. You know what I mean? So I think when you're in survival mode, it's like that fighter comes out of you. And I know a lot of you are out there probably just fighting to survive during this time. That's personally where I'm at. Let's have a conversation about it. Let me know in the comments how you guys are getting by, whether it's financially or physically. How are you guys keeping yourself from being bored out of your minds? Because I know it gets boring inside all the time. Well, not all the time, but you know, right now. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like that, and more cooking videos. Because it's honestly, there's nothing like a good home cooked meal. And we got no choice right now but to be cooking. Every once in a while, eating out, getting some food to go. But this kind of meal, to me, just feels good, you know? It's healthy. Got my salad, protein, vegetables. My bad. Excuse me. My bad. I hope you do enjoy this short-ass video. If you do, remember to smash that subscribe button. Turn on the post notifications so whenever I do release new videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And like always, be safe out there. And yeah, let's have a conversation. Follow me on Instagram at eddiestakeonlife. It's going to be in the subscription box. It's going to be in the description box below. Okay? Alright, until next video, much love and peace. Be safe, you guys. Peace.